Hey guys, Doug here back. We just spoke about Ford. Now we're going to move into Dodge and Jeep. So awesome upgrades again with Dodge and Jeep as well. Let's start with Dodge. So Dodge, our big customers are really going to be your Durango, your Charger, and your Challenger. Those of you who have the smaller Uconnect system, smaller screen, whether it's an UAA or a RA2 option code, you have the capability to go to a full 8.4-inch touchscreen in most cases with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, if you don't really care about Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, we do offer alternatives that don't feature that at a smaller or a lesser value price. But specifically, I want to talk just for a minute on the UAQ option code system. So again, your Durango, your Charger, and your Challenger, you'll be able to install the 8.4-inch system. Now, you will also need a replacement bezel. There are a ton of different bezels to choose from. Just give us your VIN number and we will do the work for you. We'll figure out exactly what is for your vehicle and we'll include it with the kit. Now, maybe you don't want an 8.4-inch system. Maybe you just want Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We do also carry a 7-inch system. It's called the UAG option code. That's going to give you full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but without the GPS navigation feature. So it's a lesser price, and it still gets you what you need. Several different other upgrades. Again, those of you who don't really care about Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you just want to get maybe GPS navigation in your vehicle, check out our RA4 on our website. That's a great option for the Charger, the Challenger, and for the Durango. Other features that we offer for the Dodge is, we do offer several different programmers for the Dodge vehicles. We do offer the full leather kits, so on and so forth. Backup camera kits. Maybe you don't have a backup camera. We do offer kits for that. So let's move into Jeep now. So we covered a little bit about Dodge. Again, take a look at our website. We do carry more products for it. Let's talk about Jeep real quick. So your new body Jeep Wrangler, awesome vehicle. A lot of you who order the vehicle with the sport trim package, you notice you have the base model UAA option code radio. Now, you do have the capability to go up to 2 different types of radios. This pertains to the 2018 and up Wrangler JL and the 2020 and up Gladiator. You can do the UAG option code. Again, 7-inch touchscreen, full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, plug and play. It can't get any easier than it. It's a 10-minute install for your Jeep. Maybe while you're doing that, you also want to add automatic temperature control and have the capability to turn your volume up and down with a rotary knob. That's something we carry as well to pair with that UAG or with that UAQ option code, which I spoke about earlier, which gives you the 8.4-inch touchscreen and the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. We are going to move here real soon into offering more upgrades for the Jeeps, specifically the Grand Cherokee. This is the UAV option code. This is a great alternative to the UAQ for the Grand Cherokee. This is a high-resolution 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Fascinating, awesome upgrade available for your 2014 through 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Very popular upgrade as well. As I mentioned before, earlier in the segment, in the Ram segment, you can go from a base model, RA3 or RA4 8.4-inch, and just add CarPlay and Android Auto capability by going to that UAQ. So that's a fantastic upgrade as well. Other things that we're going to be getting into here real soon for the Jeeps is full factory headlights. So you notice on the Rubicons and up, you have the halo around the headlight. Looks amazing. It gives it a nice factory fit and finish with that LED headlight. That's for the Wrangler JL and for the Gladiator, as well as the tail lights with the built-in blind spot monitoring. So those of you who want not only LED taillights, but also want the blind spot monitoring feature, That's going to be an upgrade we're going to carry here in early 2021. Great upgrade, easy to install, and it's going to really change the look and feel of your Jeep, giving it those factory fit and finishes. Just like Ram, we're going to also offer front and rear parking sensors, factory parking sensors for the Jeep. It's going to be a great safety feature as well. Other things that we're going to offer, a lot of you bought a Jeep and it doesn't have the tow package. You need to get some wiring to the back so you can install a hitch. We're going to carry that. We're going to have a video that shows you how to do that. What about a trailer brake control? That's out, and that's something that we're going to carry for Jeep, as well as aux buttons that go in the lower part of your center stack. You will have aux buttons there so you can control maybe a winch or some exterior lighting. We do have that coming up here real soon in 2021 as well. The other thing that I wanted to throw out for not only the Dodges, but the Jeeps as well, is Remote Start. We're going to offer a plug-and-play Remote Start kit for all your Dodge and your Jeep vehicles. We'll send you the key, the programmer, everything, so you can add that to your vehicle.